I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Existing 3D printers are not ideal for high-performance optics. They produce rough 3D structures rather than ones that are optically uniform. But a new technique could change that. A team at Israel's Tel Aviv University has developed what they call photonic origami, which essentially allows ultra-thin glass to be precisely folded into microscopic 3D photonic structures on a chip. With this approach, glass sheets can be bent up to 10 microns thick into shapes like 90-degree knees and helices. The team says photonic origami involves heating one side of the glass with a CO2 laser. This liquefies it and in turn prompts surface tension that's stronger than gravity. As that tension increases, the glass folds exactly where the laser hits. In their work, the team created a thin layer of silica glass on a silicon chip, which they etched to weaken the silicon under the glass and shaped it into 2D form. With the CO2 laser, they could then fold the glass sheets in less than a millisecond. The new approach could ultimately be used in complex, tiny optical devices for data processing, sensing, and physics applications. As China's ban on the direct sale of germanium and gallium to the US remains in place, companies nationwide are seeking alternative sources for this chemical material that's key to optics technologies like thermal imagers, infrared sensors, and night vision goggles. Among those companies is Lockheed Martin. The aerospace and defense technology developer has signed a memorandum of understanding with Korea Zinc, a metals producer and supplier in South Korea. The non-binding document, which outlines shared intentions for future collaboration, will allow the companies to establish what officials call a China-free supply of germanium. Representatives of both companies say this is the first step toward signing a long-term contract. Applications are now being accepted for SPIE's 2026 Startup Challenge. The annual competition is an entrepreneurial platform for new businesses focusing on innovative photonics and optics products and applications. Cash prizes are awarded from the program's founding partner, Jenoptik, to the top 3 finalists. And this year's Startup Challenge will feature the inaugural SPIE J. Kumler Innovation Award. SPIE representatives say Kumler, an SPIE fellow and former president of Jenoptik North America, who passed away earlier this year, was a founding and driving force behind the Startup Challenge program. This award will be bestowed annually to those who best embody Kumler's commitment to advancing optics and photonics innovation. The Startup Challenge will be held at Photonics West in late January. Initially designed for gaming, smart glasses, and extended reality, event-based vision technologies are finding new opportunities. A metavision platform created by a team at sensor developer Prophesee involves event-based vision, a bio-inspired sensing technology that mimics the human eye by capturing not full frames, but changes in pixel luminance or events. The team says this technology and its event-based sensors improve foveated rendering, which mirrors how the human eye works and concentrates processing power only where the user is looking. The Metavision platform demonstrates this technique via high-resolution imagery displayed specifically in the focal area while also reducing any peripheral detail. Prophesee's event-based vision has also recently found use in an eye tracking system designed by Chinese AI and machine vision developer Seven and Benson. Called the ACEVS Eye Tracker, the system uses Prophesee's event-based vision sensors to achieve an eye movement sampling rate of up to 1,000 Hz. Developers say event-based vision sensors are ideal for use in research settings, as well as the medical and industrial photonics sectors. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast, too, for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.